my name is Christian Barmen, and I'm originally from Norway, and I live here in Chiang Mai, and I am the CEO of a company called Recharge Health. And we are a medical device development and manufacturing company. And we have developed this product here. This is our first product. It's called the FlexBeam. And it uses a technology called photobiomodulation. And it's where we use lights in different wavelengths to interact with the body. So we can do many things with lights, and we both develop new products and we manufacture our current product here in Thailand. Our main market is actually the US. So I think we get the best of both worlds by being here in Thailand and developing at a relatively controlled cost level and very easy of access to the world markets. So traditionally, I guess you can say that a lot of the manufacturing in Asia in the beginning went to China. But so I have been in China for about 20 years. But about 10 years ago, things started to change in Thailand in operational environment. So I think many companies wanted another base for their both development, but also manufacturing. So Thailand for us was kind of a natural selection because of the temperature, the weather, the education level, the safety, the food, of course, and the people. So for us, it was quite easy to choose Thailand. And with BOI, we are able to hire people and experts from all over the world. And we have about 29 people here now with about 15 different languages. So that's what I like. I think even in my country, Norway, it would have been very difficult to attract so many foreign experts to come and live. And an added benefit is that when they come and live in Thailand, the salary expectations are a lot lower than if you hire someone to come and work in San Francisco or Oslo or Stockholm. So I think the main benefit is cost control, fantastic life. So the people we attract here, they can bring their family and they can set up a amazing life in Thailand. It's like, so it's relatively easy to attract people to come. We have very good online systems for work permits and taxes and that kind of stuff. So all in all, I'm very happy with our choice of Thailand. A company like Recharge Health, we're looking at the education, of course, because we need engineers that can think for themselves, and we need engineers that receive an education level that they can design products like ours. And it's not easy. It's not something that you learn naturally in engineering school. But I feel now, after the last 15, 20 years, there has been a lot of manufacturing going on in Thailand. There's a lot of Japanese companies, there's a lot of German companies, and there has been a lot of knowledge transfer. So what we see now with the younger generation, we have interns here in the engineering department, and we can see that the quality level of the general knowledge of the engineers are, I would say, on par or higher than what I was used to previously in the neighbor. It's relatively easy to use the online systems to do any kind of interaction with the government. There's still the matter of going to get a stamp at immigration, but that's a motorbike ride and come back. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with. There's not many restrictions. As a company, we can apply for certain privileges or benefits, but I guess you can read more about that other places. We did that, and we have received very favorable welcome, you can say, by the BOI.